Dear learners of Standard 9, welcome back to my today's online class. Hopefully you all are fine, safe and sound at home by the blessings of Almighty Allah. Previously, I had discussed with you about some basic information which you already known, that is the axis, equator, latitude, meridians of longitudes and the prime meridian. And today I am going to discuss with you the most important part, that is the local time and the standard time. And as we are learning the method of calculating time at different regions of the world, we must have to much more emphasis on this local time and standard time, স্থানীয় সময় and প্রমাণ সময়. So first give a good look on these two images. That is, this is the earth, it is rotating from west to east always, and the earth is round, you know, and it continuously moves around its own axis from which side, which direction, west to east. And so the different regions of the earth, face the sun at different duration, isn't it? So when the prime meridian of any country or any regions, that means the main longitudes of a country which passes through the country, the main longitudes of a country which passes through the middle of that country, that longitudes will be treated as a prime meridian for that country. So we can say when the prime meridian of any region reaches just in front of the sun is found exactly overhead at that region, and then the midday occurs at that region, and it is 12 o'clock by watch over there. So next follow about prime meridian, you know. Previously I had told you that there is an international agreement. Follow here, this is the North Pole and this part here is the South Pole, and this one is the prime meridian. So there is an international agreement that the meridian running through Greenwich, London of the UK over the Royal Observatory in Greenwich at a vicinity of the London city, and which is spread out over the North Pole to South Pole, is considered the official prime meridian, and any line of the longitude can serve as the 0 degrees. So prime meridian always denoted by the 0 degree, and in world map also we can see the position of the prime meridian. So which countries does the prime meridian passes through? In the northern hemisphere the prime meridian passes through the UK, France and Spain, in Europe and Algeria, then Mali, then Burkina Faso, Togo and Ghana in Africa. And the only landmass crossed by the meridian in the southern hemisphere is Antarctica. Always there was given a good look on the position of the prime meridian. Okay, so here about the prime meridian you have known. Now we will know the local time. Here I have told you before, that is when the prime meridian of any region reaches just in front of the sun is found exactly overhead. The sun is found exactly overhead of that region, and then the midday occurs, that is 12 o'clock by watch over there, and the other timing of the day will be decided in accordance with the midday. So depending on this midday, that is 12 o'clock, the other timing of our day will be decided. So we know that one thing, that is we know that 1 degree of meridian difference results in difference of time by 4 minutes, and the distance of 1 minute meridian results in difference of time by 4 seconds. So if we want to move from 1 degree, that is here degree is not the angle, here it is degree in the earth distance. So if you want to move from 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, each and every interval, the time is needed 4 minutes, and if we want to move 4 minutes, the time will be needed 4 seconds. So 1 minute time will be needed 4 seconds. So here one thing, that is the line follow, this is the eastern part, so sun rises in the east, and western part this is the set up in the west. So in eastern part, if you want to move from the prime meridian, what happened? Suppose you are going to 5 degree eastern part, so this eastern part the time will be always plus, and from the prime meridian, if we want to move from the prime meridian towards the western part, the time will be always minus. So if 5 degree eastern part, that is when it is 12 o'clock at any place or region, the time of any region existing 5 degree east to that place or region will be, that is the calculation 12 plus 4 5 ja 20. So it will be 12 hours and 20 minutes, and the time of any region existing 5 degree west to the same region, that will be 12 hours minus 5 4 ja 20 minutes, that is it will be minus 11 hours and 40 minutes. In this way we can calculate the local time of an area. Now we will know the Greenwich Mean Time. That is about Greenwich Mean Time. Before going to discuss it, we will know some history or the information, previous information. That is the GMT. It is the Greenwich Mean Time. So GMT goes back to before 1884, when Britain was a maritime nation. So when on the sea, the British sailors used a device called a marine chronometer, which was a portable and accurate clock used that the rest away. So the chronometer was used to calculate longitude from the Greenwich meridian, and it was a convention considered to have longitude. This was later internationally adopted by the International Meridian Conference of 1884, and they changed the chronometer to solar time, which was later discovered as GMT. That means this Greenwich Mean Time serves the 0 degree always, and the exact timing of Greenwich can be known by the chronometer watch, and this meridian of a place is calculated by the another apparatus, that is we will know now, that is the sextant apparatus. This sextant apparatus at this midday of that region at that time is determined by observing the highest position of the sun in the sky. So depending on this the sextant apparatus is a double reflecting navigation instrument that measures the angular distance between two visible objects. So using the latitudes and longitudes, we can find out with the help of equator also we can find out the angular distance of an area. So this sextant instrument that measures the angular distance between two visible objects, and the primary use of a sextant is to measure the angle between an astronomical object and the horizon of the purpose of celestial navigation also. So here in this image we are observing the different parts of the sextant apparatus, and this person is observing the sky by using the sextant apparatus. Now Greenwich Mean Time, the all time is measured from Greenwich, suburb of London in England. The 0 degree longitude line or the prime meridian passes through Greenwich, we know. That means the Greenwich meridian serves the 0 degree, and Greenwich Mean Time is the time, it is in Greenwich time. So depending on the timing of the Greenwich, all the timings of the regions, all the timings of the regions of the world can be calculated, and Greenwich was chosen as a lot of the world's sea charts were being drawn up in England at that time. So follow here one thing, if any region, suppose it is the prime meridian and it's the Greenwich Mean Time, that is 12 o'clock. This part is the western part, prime meridian, the left part it is the western and the right part is the eastern part, and if any region is situated to the eastern side of the Greenwich, the local time of that region will be more than that of Greenwich as the sun rises in the east, and if it is situated to the western side thereof, its local time will be less than that of Greenwich. Simply you will know one thing, that if you want to move from the prime meridian towards the eastern part, the time will be added, and if you want to move from the prime meridian western part, the time will be deducted. Now you will know the standard time. So follow one thing, here you know the position of the prime meridian, and this is I have used the map of Bangladesh longitude just as example. And about the standard time, if the local time is determined by ascertaining the duration of midday, that is sun over the meridians of longitude, the calculation of time faces confusion in the same country. So local time will be very much difficult for us. For that reason, a separate standard time for each country is determined where necessary. So in every country, the time that is determined as per the meridian at any region of its center is called the standard time for that country. That is, for example, the standard time of Bangladesh is +6 hours from the Greenwich Mean Time. So 90° east meridian is situated almost above the middle of Bangladesh territory. So here follow the 90° and there is the position of Dhaka. So we can say the 90° meridian or longitude can be treated as a prime meridian for Bangladeshi people, and the timing of this prime meridian will be the standard time for Bangladesh. So local time can vary area to area depending on the position of the sun, but the standard time of a country must be determined by observing the position of that longitude. So as the Bangladesh is situated eastern part of the Greenwich, so the time of Bangladesh will be +6 hours from the Greenwich Mean Time. So always with the timing of the Greenwich, Bangladesh timing will be +6 hours ahead. So for this reason, the local time of this meridian is considered the standard time of Bangladesh accordingly. But if a country becomes larger, so it may have several standard time itself, such as the United States of America have 4 standard time according to the division of the zone, that is Pacific Mountain, Central and Eastern. This 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m. So depending on this position, their country's standard timing will be dependent, and Canada has 5 standard timing up to Atlantic. So the local time of Greenwich, that is 0° meridian, has been accepted as the standard time for the whole world or the earth. So Greenwich, the prime meridian timing, that is will be the standard time for the whole of the earth. But the longitude which passes through the center or middle of a region of any country, that can be treated the prime meridian of that country, and that timing of that country will be the standard time of that area. So today up to this, thank you all. Stay safe, stay blessed at home. One moral for you, that is, the life teaches us to make good use of time, while time teaches us the value of life. So goodbye.